Baby, love it.
You better speak, Dylan.
Speak, poet.
She knows the rules.
I loved you, but you sounded like secrets and I was hard of hearing. Tired of hearing you say over and over again that you wanted to leave him. It became harder for me to believe it because you never left him. Even after you told him that you let me in, let me inside you, let me leave a hole inside you as deep as Colorado mountains are tall, and for what? All for nothing. Back when that part of myself was still alive, when I enjoyed destroying things that were never mine, that I did not build or water or sing to, you were appealing to the warrior in me, appalling to the woman my mother thought she taught me to be. I would win you. I would fight every uphill battle to fall in the valleys of your body. I would taste your water and oceans would well up in me, but you sounded like secrets and I was leagues beneath. Looking back, it is hard to remember if your eyes were brown or blue or green, if you ever saw me through them, if you ever woke up beside him and tried to feel my beat in his chest, if you searched the threads of his pillowcase for my sweat or the tears I never cried because I did not fit into his indention in the sheets. Looking back, it is hard to remember if his hair was long when you met, if he put on a uniform while you were still asleep and left for Georgia before the sun came up, if he fed your babies breakfast while you were taking deep breaths in the mirror, hoping he wouldn't hear you calling me from the bathroom. I loved you, but you sounded like secrets and I was hard of hearing, struggling to make your volumes tolerable to the drums playing dead inside me, but you never loved me more than a whisper. You spit dishonesty and put out every fire I made between us in dark rooms to give you a better view of the slanted landscape you made my face. You gave me downtones and goodbyes without a siren's warning. You taught me that to your mouth, my name was just a noise, and to your eyes, my place in your life was just an alarm you set in time to crawl back into his bed and tell him you love him just loud enough for him to hear you. Thank you.